Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. So today in this video we will watch how we can install blogengine.net on Microsoft Azure. So blogengine.net is a blogging platform which is just like WordPress, and this is an open source blogging platform of ASP.NET. So let us see how we can create a new blogengine.net website on Microsoft Azure. So first of all, make sure that you have logged into your Microsoft Azure account. Then on the left side, click on create a resource button. Now type blogengine.net. Okay, then click on create button at the bottom. Okay, so the first option is here that you have to enter the name of your application. So let's do it. Subscription is free trial, and the third option is resource group. You can create a new resource group or you can use the existing one. So I'm here using the existing one. Third is your apps. Fourth one is your app service plan, which is by default selected for your free subscription here. And then at the last, click on create button. So Microsoft Azure is validating all the information which you have entered here. So it is done, and now the deployment is in progress, so it will take some time for the deployment. Yes, you can see here that now the deployment is succeeded. So we can go to resource. Now on the top at the right side, you can see the URL of our new blogengine.net website. So you have to click on that. Using all these steps, you can install blogengine.net on Microsoft Azure. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.